GCSE edition. Pause the screen to see the question and have a go at yourself first. So, now you've had a go, let's take a look together. We have a quadratic here. We want to show the turning points and the coordinates of the intercepts. The question does say exact form. So I've drawn the axes and we're going to think about what we want to do. So, a quadratic. To get the intercepts, the roots, we can factorize, we can use the quadratic formula, or we can complete the square. Now, from the three methods, only completing the square will give us the turning points, meaning that's what we're going to use. So, completing the square. Now, there's a couple ways to do different parts of what I'm going to do. I will always tell you when there's a different way, and then you can let me know in the comments which way you would prefer I do it next time. Let's begin. So, I'm going to rewrite the question here, and to complete the square, this needs to be x squared something, which means I need to take a factor out. Now, square brackets are important. It helps you separate between this step and the next step. And what you could do differently is you could take a factor of 2 out in the whole thing. So it would be 2 square brackets x squared minus 4x minus 5 over 2. But we'll do it this way today. So we now can complete the square on x squared minus 4 to give us x minus 2 squared. And then we need to subtract 4 to make this square bracket the same as this square bracket. Have a go and prove it by yourself by expanding this and comparing it to this. And now we're just going to simplify. So multiply by 2, that will give you minus 8. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Perfect. We now know that the turning point, based off the form x minus a all squared plus b, is ab. So in this case, minus 2 becomes 2, and minus 13 stays as minus 13. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the graph. And remember, it's a sketch, so it can look like that. Okay, turning point complete. The intercepts. You've got the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. This is ax squared plus bx plus c. Plus c is minus 5. That's there. Now the x. Now we could restart the whole process and put this in the quadratic formula, but we've done so much already, we may as well carry on. And that's kind of what the question intends for us to do. So we need to ask ourselves, what do we need to do with this? Right now it's y equals, but we want to find out what the graph is when it passes this line. On this line, y is equal to 0. So we'll make this equal to 0. Now, to get x by itself, you want to do the opposite of BODMAS.